Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 E350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package, which is going to give you a sports exterior and interior. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior. Pano sunroof. Turn around back. E350 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate. We got a clean set of floor mats. Comfort box for extra storage. Come along the side. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a black wood trim, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Popping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, hard keys for a media display, rear shade, heated seats, dual climate controls. This E-Class has 58,740 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.